Ladies and gentlemen, today you are not welcome to my YouTube channel because you're already in, and we'll be looking on why hard work won't save you in this era. Most professionals respond to pressure by working harder. That instinct used to work, it doesn't anymore. And on the old formula, for a long time the formula was simple: work hard, be reliable, stay consistent. That formula rewarded effort because effort translated directly into output, but that connection has broken. And you may ask why effort decoupled from results. AI changed the relationship between time and output. Two people can now spend the same hour working and produce completely different levels of value. When output becomes uneven, effort stops being the deciding factor. That's not unfair, it's just a new environment. And about the psychological trap, here's where people get stuck. They feel the pressure, so they do more of what used to work. More hours, more stress, more burnout. But pressure doesn't mean you need more effort. It means you need a different approach. And why is hardworking no longer a strategy? Hardworking is a trait, not a system. And traits don't scale. I repeat that, traits don't scale. AI rewards systems, repeatable ways of producing value without draining yourself. That's why some people seem calm while others are exhausted. They're not smarter, they are better structured. And for a better question to ask yourself, instead of asking, how do I work harder? Ask, what part of my work should no longer require my effort? It shifts you from labor to leverage. And about the calm advantage of this, when work is designed well, you don't feel rushed. You finish work earlier, you think clearer, you adapt faster. That calm isn't laziness, it's control, and control is what keeps professionals relevant long term. This is why brute force stops working in fast systems. Structure matters more than stamina now. I document how I redesign work around this step by step inside my systems. Not to rush people, but to help them move with more clarity instead of panic. So, if you want to get to see more of this content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.